crazy, but it's definitely higher.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I missed him. I missed Jordan. Jordan's in the back there with you, Tony.
I know, I can see him. That's right.
Who was that?
Me. Greg.
I see Josh.
I'm just gonna shoot from here.
Hey, you can't.
That was a good shot.
Thanks, that was me. You should give me half a kill.
Okay, afterwards we'll award you half a kill. That's the tiebreaker right there, okay? Watch your back.
Oh, Mike!
Bad idea.
Did you get him?
I don't know. No.
Whoa! There's Kyle over there.
Oh, I hit your gun. Did it? It looked like it. Yeah, I'm calling it. You hit me.
Jump out.
Doesn't sound like it. Oh my gosh.
We're screwed, fellas. We're screwed.
I hit you. What are you talking about? That's a pin. I know. Oh, yeah. I totally hit you. If you say, was that a hit? And I say, I didn't feel it, and you, that's not 100%. It's either I hit you, because if you didn't see it, it's up to me to...
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You'll probably get shot right over there. Somebody's in the alcove.
Nobody's looking.
We got Rick in the alcove and Kyle and
Ah! Hey, watch your back, Mike. Nobody's over there, I don't think. Is Craig over there? Oh, Craig's over there. Never mind.
Jordan's coming in. Josh in the alcove.
Kyle's in there.
I know Rick is. Josh is at the door.
Ah! Rick's in the alcove too.
Yep.
Woo!
Got you, Rick. Did I not hit your shoulder?
I don't know. I thought it hit box and then hit my shoulder.
It hit your shoulder. It didn't hit box.
Watch back.
Dang it.
Are we okay now?
Hey, you okay, Nick? Who's over there?
Well, we need that side to win.
What do we got?
Oh! It's right. Nice job, Kyle. Thanks.
We got what? Josh right
on
there.
This side, Kyle on the other.
Oh yeah, baby, got your gun. Ooh. Oh, I'm getting close. Was that same timer? Watch your back! Always the worst time to do that, Tony. Watch out, Rick's in the alcove!
Who was that?
Good job, Nick.
Trevor's right there, Nick.
Ooh, Nick, that's Nick.
Who was that?
Nick.
Ah. Watch out, Craig.
That's Craig.
I thought you got it.
No, he got me. Oh, garbage. Watch your back!
Oh my gosh, come on.
George to the back, George to the back.
Dang it. Oh, what were you doing?
I saw the time, so I put my stuff away.
I say come on.
What if I was coming out here and I was about to shoot you?
I probably would have said non-combatant.
Dang it.